Electric motor.
Synthetic rigging.
Classic sailboat.
No electronics.
Crossing the Atlantic Ocean.
Going where the fair winds blow, our home is where the waters flow. We'll show you what we've come to know on board while sailing wisdom.
It's laundry day. I am officially out of underwear. So, how do we do our laundry while we're hitching around in the boat without wasting water?
Okay, my calculations put us at 5 degrees, 33 minutes north, 46 degrees, 15 minutes west.
It's pretty good.
Slight issue. Our mast track is kind of come out. So there's these 3 screws that have these little metal bars that like wedge themselves into the mast to help hold them in place. And every once in a while they like rotate a little bit until they're perfectly in line and just pop out. I put it in because the whole problem is this actually keeps the mast track up. So I noticed when I was raising the sail that the track was going up. It's not supposed to have come down to then go back up. Okay, it's back in and fixed. It's always good to bring a rigger with you out into the ocean.
I'm making the call. We're putting up dill.
Okay.
Dill is our drifter sail, and the winds have all but died. So so it's really time. There are no more white caps, and we are barely moving.
Mads, what you doing?
I'm trying to photograph Booby.
So you're trying to get booby pics?
Yes.
Yes. Where is he?
He's right there.
Ah, yes. There's a booby flying around us. And the booby checked us out. Usually it's me checking out the boobies. Well, today's been really calm. Quite slow. We're making our way. We're in the right direction. But we literally just have Dill flying and nothing else. That way Dill gets all the air he can get and just pulls us along slowly. Now the sun's setting and it's gorgeous, and we're gonna keep these sails for the night because this guy says that it's just gonna be more of this. How has your day been?
Alright, I took a shower, so I always feel better when I take a shower. Washed some clothes, read my book, helped with some sales.
Edited a video.
Edited a video. That's a big one. Now I'm just taking pictures for Instagram. You can check out our Instagram. It's Rigging Doctor. On our Instagram, we have all of our photos from where we are at this moment. So if you want to see what lies ahead in the videos, check out Instagram. Oh wow, yeah. Whoa, Saturn and Jupiter are like overlapping.
Ooh.
It's another incredible night of stargazing. This is something that I'm going to miss so much when we get to land. I'm not going to miss very much, but I'm going to miss this. You don't see this anywhere, except maybe like the middle of Arizona. but uninterrupted like this, it's just something really special about sailing, about crossing an ocean. Camera that there's Mars.
This is Mars.
I love the stars. Nothing like an evening of stargazing to make you feel small and insignificant, but in a good way. And it was a perfect way to end today. So we're gonna get some shut-eye and be ready at dawn to continue our journey. Thus ends day 21. We've just been shuffling sails ever since we got up.
You can't always fly 3 sails at once, so sometimes one sail steals the wind from the other sail, and then you end up going slower.
Late in an ocean crossing like this, it gets more and more difficult to be healthy because